Hi, Erica. I found your video super interesting. I've honestly never thought about how having your own garden would cut down on our carbon footprint. It definitely made me think about what I can do to start growing my own vegetables. Right now, I lack indoor and outdoor space for a large amount, but even if it's a small herb garden or other small veggies, it would be better than nothing. I also think it depends on the climate you live in. I think it is a fantastic idea, though, and we should all really do this. I also like how you added how we would be able to eat the garden food without chemicals, which would not only help us, but help our pollinators. Did you know that pollinators pollinate 75% of our vegetation? Pests may be a problem without some sort of protection. As much as I love all animals and insects, I do not want to bite into one. But there are other options besides using chemicals. Botanical sprays are a really great option. Thank you so much for sharing.